Get off. Okay. Okay.
This is the mental mess.
This is Lindsay, anyways.
This.
Cat mental.
Oh, my foot. Why my foot?
Okay.
I saw my pants are in
Well,
it.
you have to see him from this angle so you can see what he does. Come here.
Come on, Becca, do mental mess. Make the mental mess extreme.
Oh, there he goes.
Now I have really bad lighting, though.
Okay.
Turn on the other headlight.
Okay.
Thank you. That's better. Even though it burns.
I know.
Like.
Oh, you have to get it from this side.
Why? My ankle, the pain.
Okay.
Mental mess. Oh, it's starting. Just go back farther.
I know. Okay. You have to get his face. Okay, get over here.
Oh, be mental. Are you gonna bite my finger? I'm scared to put my finger over there.
Hold on.
No walking away. No, Martin. You do this.
Oh, there he goes.
Oh, there, yeah. Oh, we should make him bite your arm again so he doesn't pull out his hair.
You have to capture the face.
I am.
Thing.
Mental face. The licking.
There we go.
The mental mess. It's so extreme.
Oh, I found a place. Okay.
Oh, the face. Like, I refuse to look at the camera. Oh, you have to lay down. Oh, the muffin. He's so in heaven right now. Little kitty heaven, like Sam was. He got to go for a walk and to the dog park, and then he got to follow me in the mud.
You can do it now.
Yeah.
You can do it.
Oh.
Here.
If he bites me, I swear I'm gonna mark.
Oh, he looks so mental.
Oh.
He's like freaking out.
If I stop being mental, will you stop it too?
Kidding.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm only getting the top of his head.
Yeah, scratch over here.
Kidding.
Kidding! No, you have to look at the camera.
Yes. Yes.
I swear if you bite me, you're gonna be a very sorry cat.
Become mental. Okay, what was it?
Oh, there is mental.
What is it?
I'm scared because he'll bite me.
Yeah. Oh, kidding.
Like, I know you, you're my mental man.
Oh.
Or so now you have to do ball.
I own his. Oh, here, do you want it back?
Or can I sit? Because my feet, this ankle hurts. Oh, dude.
The creepy brother. No.
Say goodbye, mental kitty.
Goodbye, mental kitty. Goodbye. Goodbye.